In an unusual move, Manipur Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh and Director General of Police Rajiv Singh issued a joint statement on Wednesday night stating that a recent intelligence input about infiltration of 900 trained Kuki militants from Myanmar to carry out attacks on Meiteis on September 28 could not be substantiated on the ground. It may be mentioned that Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh himself endorsed the intelligence report of infiltration of 900 Kuki militants in a press conference on September 20, and surprisingly on September 22, Spear Corps Indian Army, through a social media post, sought information from Manipur Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh to provide details on the intelligence inputs. The post on X was later deleted. And yesterday, a press release which was signed by both Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh and Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh retracted the claim of infiltration, citing lack of proof on the ground. In the joint statement, it was mentioned that the input was verified from different quarters, but it could not be substantiated on ground, and there is no basis currently to believe in any input. However, security forces deployed on the ground are placed on a high alert to protect lives and properties of citizens. All communities are assured of their safety. It further advised both communities not to believe in any rumors or unverified information.